Hello everyone. I'm not sure you got the intro, but okay, that guy is pretty much like the one who didn't know what he studied. So in this video, we will explain what is Unity. Unity is a cross-platform game engine developed by Unity Technologies, first announced and realized in June 2005 at Apple Inc. Unity gives users the ability to create games in both 2D and 3D. For instance, this 3D game is powered by Unity. You can see that has a great graphic effect and the precision in design, characters, and the field of play details. Talking about Unity means talking about different games development techniques. One of them is the first-person shooter technique, the FPS, which is a video game genre centered around the gun and other weapon-based combat in a first-person perspective. And Unity gives you the ability to create such a game. Unity also can be used to create simulations for desktop and laptops, home consoles, smart TVs, and mobile devices. But wait, what do we really need to create these wonderful stuffs? Yeah, that's right, it is programming, which is the process of coding, modeling, simulating, or presenting the solution to a problem. There are many programming languages such as Python, C, C++, C#, Java, PHP, Java, and so on. But which one we can use in Unity? Well, the easy one is Mr. C#. Okay, it's a multi-paradigm program language encompassing strong typing, imperative, declarative, functional, generic, object-oriented, which means class-based. We can also use JavaScript as well, but for me, C# is the better one. So, did I forget anything? I don't think so. So, goodbye.